Hazrat Ammar radiallahu anhu and his parents. Hazrat Ammar radiallahu anhu and his parents were also subjected to the severest afflictions. They were tormented on the scorching sands of Makkah. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, while passing by them, would enjoin patience, giving them glad tidings about paradise. Ammar's father, Yasir radiallahu anhu, died after prolonged sufferings at the hands of the persecutors, and his mother, Sumayya radiallahu anha, was killed by Abu Jahl, who put his spear through the most private part of her body, causing her death. She had refused to renounce Islam in the face of terrible torture in her old age. The Blessed Lady was the first to meet martyrdom in the cause of Islam. The first mosque in Islam was built by Ammar radiallahu anhu. When Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam emigrated to Medina, Ammar radiallahu anhu offered to build a structure for him where he could sit, take rest in the afternoon, and say his salah under its roof. He first collected the stones and then built the masjid in Quba. He fought against the enemies of Islam with great zeal and courage. Once he was fighting in a battle when he said rejoicingly, "I am to meet my friends very soon. I am to meet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions." He then asked for water. He was offered some milk. He took it and said, "I heard Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying to me, 'Milk shall be the last drink of your worldly life.'" He then fought till he met his coveted end. He was then aged about 94.